In today's video, let me show you how to fix Instagram cannot send messages. If you're having issues sending messages within the Instagram platform, let me show you a few steps that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can do is try to clear out the app cache of Instagram. So what you can do is tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then just tap on the clear data option that you'll be able to see. As soon as you do this first step, try to check, head over to the Instagram application again and try to see if this fixes the issue. If the issue still persists, is try to use a browser on your mobile phone or on the laptop or desktop. Head over to a web browser such as Google Chrome, search for instagram.com and try to see if you can log in. If you cannot log in using the web version as well, that could mean Instagram is having issues right now or Instagram is down right now. So in this situation, you just need to wait out a couple of hours before the issue is automatically fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.